In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and click on Privacy section over here. Finally, you can enter Permission Manager and tap on any feature that you wish to manage, like Calendar. Now just click on one of your apps and pick one of those options. Allow or don't allow. I will go with allow, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's calendar. If you want to, you can also pick one of your features, and then select one of your apps. Instead of tapping on one of those options though, select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!